You know how every new pair of earbuds these days come packed with AI noise control, adaptive transparency, head tracking spatial audio, and maybe even a built-in barista? Well, not these. The Beats Solo Buds take a totally different approach. At just Rs 5,990, they don't try to do it all. They just nail the basics beautifully. But how do these perform in the real world, and are these earphones the right pick for you? I'm going to answer all of that and more in this review. But before that, hit that subscribe button and join us in our journey to 10K subscribers. Come on, please do it. Let's start with the design. The case, well, it's tiny. Smaller than most other TWS cases on the market, and it's lighter than your car key. Plus, it disappears into your pocket like it's not even there. These earphones, now they come in 4 colors. Matte black, Arctic purple, storm grey, and this absolute stunner transparent red. It's got that retro futuristic vibe like a see-through Game Boy, but make it 2025. The buds themselves weigh just 5.7 grams each, and they're super comfy. You get 4 tip sizes in the box, and what you get is a super comfortable snug fit which will make you feel like these buds just disappear in your ears. Now here's where things get interesting. These buds don't try to dazzle you with a million features. There's no ANC, no ambient mode, no wireless charging, not even an LED light on the case. It strips things back and focuses on the essentials and executes the few features it has with perfection. Pairing is seamless on both Android and iOS. You get Google Fast Pair and Apple Find My support. Each bud has a physical B button that controls playback, handles calls, activates your voice assistants, and it just works. No annoying touch gestures or accidental skips. The app is also stripped back, but it has a few customization options that you can use. Now let's talk about the thing that matters the most, sound quality. And this is where the Beats Solo Bud really surprised us. We went in expecting decent for the price, but what we got was full, warm, and really enjoyable audio. The bass is present, that signature Beats thump, but it doesn't overpower the mids or the highs. Vocals sound clean, guitars come through with crisp detail, and genres like jazz, R&B, and pop all sound lovely without becoming too fatiguing. It's a slightly V-shaped sound signature, tuned for fun, and well, it is really enjoyable and it works. Call quality is another area where the Solo Buds hold their own. Indoors, your voice comes through clear and natural, which is perfect for Zoom meetings and voice notes. Outdoors, it's a bit more of a hit or miss, especially in noisy environments. But that's really to be expected at this price. Alright, here's the curveball. The case actually doesn't charge the earbuds. Yup, it's just a shell with no battery inside. Now that sounds like a deal breaker until you realize that the buds themselves offer a massive 18 hours of playback on a single charge, which honestly isn't found on any other earphones. You'd be lucky to get like 10 or 12 hours at max. That's more than enough for a full day of work, commute, and even some late night YouTube. And if you're ever low on juice, just 5 minutes of charging gets you about an hour's worth of playback, which is pretty nice. So, what's the verdict? Look, the Beats Solo Buds are not trying to compete with the AirPods Pro or the Sony WF series of the world. They're not trying to be the smartest earbuds in the room. Instead, they're beautifully simple. A stylish, great-sounding pair of earbuds that just fit into your daily life without demanding too much extra attention. They're ideal for minimalists, casual listeners, students, or just about anyone who wants something reliable without the feature overload. We're giving the Beats Solo Buds a solid 3.5 out of 5. Yes, they're missing some modern features, but in exchange you get a focused experience that's honestly refreshing in 2025. And that's it for the review of the Beats Solo Buds. If you like this review, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more such tech reviews right here on Unboxed by Croma. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.